Hello. I hope everyone is well. Today, we present to you a budget earbud unboxing video. Let's get started. Specifications: advanced wireless connectivity, 10-meter transmission range, 10mm dynamic driver size, 40 mAh2, Li polymer battery capacity for earbuds, standby time about 120 hours, charging time about 1 to 2 hours. Features: stereo audio with bass, A2DP technology, hands-free call function, lightweight secure fit earbuds, stereo and mono use, magnetic charging case. We can get user guide, warranty card, charging case, 2 buds, Samani buds bush, and also a charging cable. The case design is very simple and very beautiful. Also the buds.